Good morning, student. Today I'll teach you science of class 10 biology portion topic life processes, which is in chapter 6. I hope you all will concentrate in this chapter. Okay, student, let's start life processes. In this chapter you have to read about nutrition, respiration, control and coordination. That all you have to read. First of all, I'll explain you about the life processes. The basic functions performed by living organisms to maintain their life on this earth are called life processes. The basic life processes common to all the living organisms are nutrition and respiration, transport and excretion, control and coordination, growth, movement and reproduction. I think you everybody read this in previous classes also. If I ask respiration, maybe few problem will be there. That's why few briefly I'll give the definition of respiration. Respiration is the process which release energy from the food absorbed by the body. Transport is the process in which a substance absorbed or made in one part of the body is moved to other parts of the body. Excretion is also the process in which the waste materials produced in the cells of the body are removed from the body. For this process, we need energy. Without energy, we can't do any work. All the living organisms need energy to perform various life processes. They get this energy from food. Food is a kind of fuel. Like a vehicle without fuel, it cannot run. In same way, in our body also fuel required. So, food play a vital role to run our life. So, first of all, I'll give a few definition about the nutrition. The process of taking in food and utilizing it is called nutrition. So whatever food we take and utilize to our body activity is known as the nutrition. So there are two modes of nutrition: autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic mode of nutrition. The word auto means self and trophy means nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition is that mode of nutrition in which an organism makes its own food from the simple inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water present in the surroundings. For example, green plants, corns, carrot. These are the example of autotrophic nutrition. Now, I will explain you about the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. The word hetero means others and trophy refers to nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition is that mode of nutrition in which an organism cannot make its own food from simple inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water and depends on other organisms for its food. For example, deer eating plant leaves as food, tiger eating deer as food, brown bear about to eat fish as food. Now, you all will go through the book and answer the following questions. Define life processes. What is nutrition? What are the differences between autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition? Thank you.